Welcome to our channel. If you're facing issues with your Android TV box not working, don't worry. In this video, we'll provide you with 7 effective fixes to get your device up and running again. Follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and resolve common problems. Fix 1. Restart your Android TV box. 1. Locate the power button on your Android TV box, or unplug it from the power source. 2. Wait for about 30 seconds. 3. Plug it back in or press the power button to turn it back on. 4. Check if your device is functioning properly. Fix 2. Check your internet connection. 1. Navigate to the settings menu on your Android TV box. 2. Select Network and Internet. 3. Ensure that Wi-Fi or Ethernet is connected and showing a stable connection. 4. If using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or restart your router for a better signal. Fix 3. Clear cache and data. 1. Go to Settings on your Android TV box. 2. Select Apps and find the application that's causing issues, like Netflix, YouTube, etc. 3. Click on it, then select Storage. 4. Tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. 5. Restart the app and see if the problem is resolved. Fix 4. Update your software. 1. Access the Settings menu. 2. Scroll down and select Device Preferences. 3. Choose About and then System Update. 4. If an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install it. 5. Restart your Android TV box after the update. Fix 5. Check HDMI connection. 1. Power off your TV and Android TV box. 2. Unplug the HDMI cable from both devices. 3. Inspect the HDMI cable for any damages and ensure it's securely connected. 4. Reconnect the HDMI cable and power on your devices. 5. Switch to the correct HDMI input on your TV and check if it works. Fix 6. Factory reset. 1. Go to Settings on your Android TV box. 2. Select Device Preferences. 3. Scroll down and click on Reset. 4. Choose Factory Data Reset and confirm your choice. 5. Note that this will erase all data on your device, returning it to its original settings. Fix 7. Consult customer support. 1. If none of the above fixes work, consider reaching out to the customer support of your Android TV box manufacturer. 2. Provide them with details about your issue, and they may offer specific troubleshooting steps or potential repair options. Thank you for watching. We hope these fixes have helped you resolve the issues with your Android TV box. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.